Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. How are we doing today? The vlog from yesterday was just edited. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Alright, because of that production that happened last week, ladies and gentlemen, I haven't had enough time to either organize nor clean that room from like weeks. So I believe that should be the priority of the day. I literally have an old camera in my feet. Here's a clip how I got that. But I just found, ladies and gentlemen, these are film magazines, real film magazines, and that is an old film camera, ladies and gentlemen. A ukulele, an unopened toolbox, and gels, ladies and gentlemen. We need organization in here. It's just a mess. All right, let's go.
Trying to decide where to put it.
Okay, now you know.
It has a little mohawk. Oh!
Randy,
Martina?
have you been drinking this coffee?
No, that's a terrible coffee.
Where the hell is it gone?
That's a terrible coffee.
There's like none of it left. How is this happening?
What?
Oh.
Would you like me to make you a coffee?
Drank like 2 times.
No, I absolutely don't care if people drank it. I just want to know what happened to it.
No,
I'm just really curious.
No, I know for a fact that Eric drank for like 2 times.
No, again, I do not mind. I'm just like kind of in awe, like that it's.
No, but
How did that happen? Does it?
Could it be Summer taking it?
I doubt it now.
No.
Mohawk on his head.
He told me
It's
last
a wind
time.
protection.
Yeah.
From wind.
How was it protecting it? Like?
Well, the little hairs on top, they destroy the frequency of the wind, and the mics don't pick it up.
Oh,
Because
so
the wind
microphone,
breaks into it,
Yeah.
swivels around, doesn't hit the mic, while the sound has different waves, much stronger than the wind. Penetrate the whole thing, and the sound's being recorded.
This is good TV. This is like season 2 shit, if you know what I mean.
Oh yeah, into the house. And then the girl was dragged alive into the dresser with all the magic animals.
Bye.
Bye. These are film magazines, ladies and gentlemen. You open them up. There is a certain way of doing so. There you go. So that's how you open it, and that's where you have your reel. That's your empty reel. It goes in here, feeds through here, and the recorded film goes on the other side, ladies and gentlemen. And then you go and get your Oscar. I think that's how it works. How the hell do you close it? Alright, as a little happy family, we decided it's about time to take on the trash. It's a constant battle with us and the trash. How are we gonna do it? No. Are we gonna grab just something? No, wait a sec. I think she's going for the can. You got a little too excited. Let's go see where is Martina? We had one more. We were supposed to be 3. Martina, oh, she took a bag. I'll go get a bag too. Last week, ladies and gentlemen, I literally had no time to run to the store and get any groceries. I've been stealing bread for the past 4 days, I think, from my housemates. I gotta buy them bread, but I gotta run to the store right before I go to work. So that's what we're doing.